No, 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 no!
Oh, that doesn't look good.
What am I going to do? Everything I have is on this computer. Wait, why aren't you panicking?
Oh, well, this happened a lot last year, and I got tired of paying $300 to $500 and waiting 2 weeks for it to get back from the shop every time, so I got Backup Titan.
What's Backup Titan?
Backup Titan takes a snapshot of your entire hard drive and Windows system and uploads it to the cloud. So if something happens, you simply replace it and then use the Backup Titan USB rescue stick to download all of it back to the new drive.
That's it? No reinstalling Windows? No reinstalling all of your programs? No losing half of your data?
Yep, that's it. Viruses, ransomware, hard drive crashes, it's like it never happened. And it works with both laptops and desktops.
I can use Backup Titan to restore my system then.
Well, here's the thing. You have to have Backup Titan before your system crashes.
No!
Backup Titan, like it never happened. Try it for free today.